5 of these rapper songs, bro, I be dead. I don't get starstruck, I shine on them instead. Need to get they bars up instead of chasing them trends. I'm trying to win, nigga, I've been at it all day. Bet on myself, so it's never time to parlay. When you the ace, you don't care what other cards say. Shuffle my deck so I get respect in all states. Because of Trey, I was in Brooklyn with KD. He went through his playlist and that nigga played me. We talked rap, then it's back to the grind. The Slim Reaper don't miss, not even half of the time. Bitch, I'm a man in my prime, and I be fresh as a bitch. Dover Street Market, Rocky complimenting my kicks. On some Fashion Week shit, and I was just being Briss. I used to run from police, but now it's runways, bitch. Remember drinking Minute Maid. Not a maid to be here in a minute, cause we getting paid. Med shops out the way, 25K a day. Making sure my people straight, even when I'm in the grave. Niggas out here being slaves, I cannot participate no matter what them niggas say. I was paying lawyer fees, damn I could've bought a chain. Fuck trust, if you bout money I delegate. Fuck I look like catching feelings for a fucking featherweight. I never get the same love that I give away, but I could really give a fuck about it anyway. I never get the same love that I give away. Nigga, I tell her I'm never free, but if it's worth it, I'll make time. Took what I heard from the grapevine and made wine. Nigga, let it ride, Eastside. Hey, I'm never free, but if it's worth it, I'll make time. Took what I heard from the